street is not as crowded as some of the other streets. And these bars will have live music later. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, looks like it's evening starting to come upon us again. So this is just in the hotel and I'm up on the top floor. So you can see a little bit of our mountain view. This is okay, let's go explore again. Okay, so we're gonna walk down an alley and in street back, back street, in street back. So, okay, put up my camera. I don't know if it's like, it's kind of like there's moisture on the lens or something. Maybe there is. Or the light looks funny. I guess that looks okay. I guess it's just the lighting. Okay. So we're gonna go out and enjoy. Now that it's evening again, you can see all the mayhem that's happening. So I think first thing I'm gonna do is go to the left and kind of walk that way, and you can see all the crowds of people everywhere. Yeah, that crowd is massive. Actually, maybe because that crowd is so massive, we're gonna go this way instead. So, okay. We'll just see what we can come up with. My camera's been overheating a lot, so I have to be a little bit careful. I wonder what he's selling. But I'm gonna just try to capture as much mayhem as I can. This looks pretty tasty. Potatoes, that looks really good too. We're doing rating. Okay. Continuing. Smells good. A lot of cameras here. That's a little salesman. Camera. Okay. These are going to be all going later on. Marco Polo Music Bar and all the rest. These are tasty. Get a bunch of these again tonight.
现场展区，招牌泥水泥七色浆果1年，芒果红小果柠檬浆果
Okay. All kinds of shops. Pottery. Artists. All kinds of toy stuff. Tattoo art. Okay. Yeah, kind of a mix of different people, right? A lot of families, but also a lot of all types of people. There's a lot of bars catering to basically some.
手机照片现一现啊！看一下用硬件吗？20元一件啊，现一现拿的，大小码都有的哈。来这边看一下啊，手机照片现一现啊，20元一件啊。
Basically something for everybody. Peppers. That's good. It's all garlic. They're smashing up the garlic. So yeah, pretty cool. Right now is the perfect time to be out too. It's brutally hot in the daytime. Not many people like it is now. So we're going to go left. So okay. These are some bars. The street is not as crowded as some of the other streets. And these bars will have live music later. So it sounds like there's music right now, but it's just recorded. Alright. I'm afraid this battery might get overheated, and so I'm going to turn this off for a little bit.